Back Tint businesses, I'm going to show you how to set up your Tintbolt website with a free Square account. So go to tintbolt.com, create an email and a password, and it's going to take you straight to this page. Once you get into this page, it's going to say, please refresh. Click please refresh right here. Click that. And it's going to prompt you to another page. And then right here, if you have a Square account, go ahead and press authorize. If not, I'm going to show you how to set up your free Square account. Go to squareup.com, get started, put an email here and a password. And then this is when it starts. This is how it starts your account. So your account has been created, and just talk more about your business. So most Tint businesses are individual businesses. So click individual. What type of business? For here, we click professional services. If you want to click transportation, by all means. The category, I don't see anything for the car industry, so we're just going to click other, and then type in the name of your business. So for demonstration reasons, we're just going to put Cool Tints, and then everything else is optional. Click continue, and then start taking payments. Remember, we're just doing appointments, so we don't really need this. Just click continue. And then this is where you need to put your full information, your full legal name in order to get verified quicker. A social insurance or a security number is required for instant approval. So go through this whole form and put in your social security number or your social insurance. Okay. I didn't put it this time, so it prompted me to try again. So I did. And then I'm going to put in my number. And then this time I'm going to put my social security number. And then it went through. So once you put your social security number and they get an instant approval, it's going to take you to this page. Most Tint businesses work out of a shop. So the best one will be the brick and mortar location. So you want to click the first one. Just like that. Continue. How will you take payments? This is not required for a Tintbolt website, but if you want to click, you can. So skip for now. This is the important part. What else can you manage? Help us manage, or Square is going to help you manage. So we want to manage our appointments. This is important. So click manage appointments. And then you're going to click get started under Square appointments right here. Link your bank. Again, we don't need this. We just need the appointments. So skip. And then here, again, this is something we'll skip as well. Invite your friends, just skip, not needed. And then you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to continue to Square dashboard. This is not really necessary, so just continue. And then you're in the dashboard of Square. Just click next for the green boxes after you hit appointments. So just next, next, next. And then okay. And then here, you want to get into get started. And then you want to make sure you click the free account for one location, okay? Here, you're going to put your business number. So put in your business number right here. Or if it's your personal number, just make sure you put a number that it's related to the business. So we're going to put that right here. Since we're in Calgary, Alberta, we're mountain time, but please pick the time zone that's applicable to your business or where your location is. And then it takes you right here. And then we're just going to skip this right here. And then you're going to go back to Tintbolt, and then you're going to go to authorize. Now, this is allowing Tintbolt to have you're authorizing Tintbolt to go and manage your website. So it's going to take you back into the Square account, put in your email and the password that you created for your Square account right here. And then you're going to sign in. Here, you're going to get into this page. Tintbolt Management System wants to access your Square account. So this allows Tintbolt to manage your website and create your website for you. So just click allow. And it's going to take you back into Tintbolt. And then you want to complete the setup. So go to complete setup right here. Put the name of your business. So Cool Tints, and then complete. And then that's pretty much it. This is the back end of your website. This is part one. In part two, I'm going to show you how to pick your tint brands, the services and the warranties. So stay tuned for a part two of this video where I go through everything, how to set up your Tint Bolt website. See you soon.